হ্যালো ভিউয়ার্স, ওয়েলকাম টু মাই ইউটিউব চ্যানেল ট্যান ম্যাথ একাডেমি। আজ আমি যে প্রবলেমটা নিয়ে আলোচনা করব নাম্বার থিওরির প্রবলেম, সেটা 2003 রোমানিয়ান ম্যাথমেটিক্যাল অলিম্পিয়াড থেকে নেওয়া। দ্য প্রবলেম ইজ let n be an even positive integer and let a be positive co-prime integers. Find a and b if a plus b divides a to the power n plus b to the power n. So here is some condition: a plus b divides a to the power n plus b to the power n, and then find a and b, where a and b are positive co-prime integers. So co-prime positive integers means GCD of a and b is equal to 1. It means a and b have no common factor other than 1. Okay, and n is an even positive integers. Okay, since n is even, so we have an identity what a to the power n minus b to the power n is equal to a square minus b square into a to the power n minus 2 plus a to the power n minus 2 into b square plus dot 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 plus b to the power n minus 2. It is an identity number 1. Now since a plus b divides a square minus b square, then a plus b divides a to the power n minus b to the power n by 1. Since a plus b is a divisor of a square minus b square, then a plus b also is a divisor of a to the power n minus b to the power n, which is follows from the identity 1. Okay, again by the according to the given problem, a to the power a plus b divides a to the power n plus b to the power n. From the condition, from the given condition, a plus b divides a to the power n plus b to the power n, that is a to the power a plus b is a divisor of a to the power n plus b to the power n. So this. Now a to the power n plus b to the power n plus a to the power n minus b to the power n is equal to 2 into a to the power n, this is number 2, and a to the power n plus b to the power n minus a to the power n minus b to the power n is equal to 2 into b to the power n, number 3. Now since a plus b divides these two, since a plus b is a divisor of a to the power n minus b to the power n and a to the power n plus b to the power n, so a plus b is a divisor of 2 into a to the power n and 2 into b to the power n by 2 and 3, which implies a plus b divides 2 into a to the power n and a plus b divides 2 into b to the power n, but GCD of AB is equal to 1. But GCD of AB is equal to 1 by the given conditions. A and B are co-prime numbers, which implies GCD of 2 into a to the power n, 2 into b to the power n is equal to what? 2. Since GCD of AB is equal to 1, that is GCD of a to the power n, b to the power n is equal to 1, that is GCD of 2a to the power n comma 2b to the power n is equal to 2. Okay, therefore a plus b is a divisor of 2 and hence a is equal to b is equal to 1. Since a plus b is a divisor of 2, তাহলে এখানে কি বলতে পারি যে মিনিমাম যে কন্ডিশনটা হতে পারে যে প্রত্যেকটা ইন্ডিভিজুয়ালি 1 হবে, আদারওয়াইজ হবে না। এন্ড এখানে বলেছিল a plus b পজিটিভ কোপ্রাইম ইন্টিজার্স। ওকে, সো দিস দ্য ভ্যালু অফ a and b, hence solve the condition. Here is another problem. Let n be a positive integer. Find the sum of all even numbers between n square minus n plus 1 and n square plus n plus 1. যদি n পজিটিভ ইন্টিজার হয় তাহলে sum of all even numbers which lies between the numbers n square minus n plus 1 and n square plus n plus 1. Okay, let's see the solution. We have n square minus n plus 1 can be expressed as n into n minus 1 plus 1 and n square plus n plus 1 is equal to n into n plus 1 plus 1. So this is of the form of odd numbers. মানে পরপর যদি দুটো নাম্বার থাকে and then adding by 1, similarly this, তাহলে দুটো নাম্বার কি হলো both odd numbers, both odd numbers. তাহলে যদি দুটো নাম্বারই odd হয় তাহলে even numbers গুলো কি হবে? So it follows that the least even number, least even number to be considered is what? তাহলে লিস্ট নাম্বার কি হবে যদি এটা অড হয় আর ন্যাচারালি এটা অড, তাহলে এর ঠিক পরের নাম্বারটা কি ইভেন নাম্বারস, দ্যাট ইজ n into n minus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1, that is 2 is equal to n square minus n plus 2, and the greatest number is, what is the greatest number between these two numbers is n into n plus 1 is equal to n square plus n. The greatest number is this, which is also even numbers, which is also even numbers, which less than the extreme numbers. Okay, so the desired sum, so the desired sum is all such even numbers between these. The least number is n square minus n plus 2, n square minus n plus 4 plus dot 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 plus n square plus n minus 2 and the extreme even numbers n square plus n. This number can be expressed as n square minus n plus 2, n square minus n plus 4 plus blah 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 plus n square minus n plus 2n minus 2. This can be expressed like this, n square minus n plus 2n is equal to, where is n times n square minus n, because of say 2, 4 blah 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 blah, 2n minus 1 and here 2n, so 2 to 2n, so taking common 2 1 to n, so here is n terms and for each term here is n square minus n1. Okay, so n into n square minus n, that is the number of terms is of n square minus n. So plus 2 taking common, 1 plus 2 plus dot 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 plus n, and n into n square minus n, and here 2, this is the sum of first n terms, is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2, 2 to cancel, so n cube minus n square plus n square plus n cube plus n, which is the sum of the all even numbers between n square minus n plus 1 and n square plus n plus 1. Okay, so done. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.